Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Honda NC750X with dual clutch transmission. That's 6-speed automatic, ABS brakes, fuel injected. This beautiful sport touring bike just arrived with only 328 miles on the odometer. It's got a really nice backrest and luggage rack. Come on by and make your automatic motorcycle dreams come true with this gorgeous NC750. Only $93.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Push the button and turn the throttle. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.